Welcome back. Today we're going to go do a little bit of shopping, and I hesitate to go along. A couple of us are going in a vehicle, and I hesitate to go along because it's the type of place that in the past, I've usually left with something very expensive, which I'm going to try to avoid today. Okay. We're at a dangerous place for me today. Okay. These kind of stores I struggle with. It's too easy just to do a little bit of paperwork and leave with one of these things. I know in the last video I said no way. Oh, look at this. Look at this one. No, don't worry. I'm not buying. We're here to get some parts. Audrey just bought her Can-Am, and just gonna pick up some oil change stuff. I don't know what else she needs for it, but I thought I'd ride along just to look at them, just to look. Okay. You know, if I were, just saying, if I were to buy one, yeah, wow, these huge long four-seaters are like, I think they're roughly like 30,000, give or take. Oh wait, no, this one's 41,000. Yeah, I would get the smaller two-seater anyway. Here we go. Beautiful little two-seater. What is it? Look at that. 27.9. Oh, here we go. 120 horsepower. A 2019 120 horsepower. 16,934 out the door.
Yeah, but then you need a trailer.
Yeah. Let's add another 4,000 or 5,000 for a decent enclosed trailer. And there is a bigger selection of helmets here.
But I could get the pink and the white. No, I have yellow. Why would I get pink?
Right.
Oh, they don't. They once again don't have hardly any flags.
Yeah, and that old flag on yours has got to go.
Let me see.
But look, it's a bumblebee. Smiley face.
I have a smiley face. I could get a smiley face.
Well, it's better than what's on there.
Yeah.
You know.
And I can just hook it to the pole.
It matches a bumblebee.
Happy face.
Are you gonna
Or
call
look,
it bumblebee?
a big or a beer mug.
I don't see how you couldn't.
They put them tires there
Settle
behind
down,
me.
Dave.
You're getting all
Thanks,
flustered.
Sue.
You're getting all flustered there.
I have support here to keep me from signing and doing any paperwork. Keep the pen away from me.
I will dive and grab that pen out of your hand.
Thank you, Sue. That's what friends are for, right?
No.
Yeah. No, stay away from the pen. Look at those. Wait a minute. Get your spare. $350.
Oh, no.
Here what?
Okay, that's good. Alright, that's good. That's good.
Wow, that's okay. It's like, here, let me see that glove. Let me see that glove. Wow.
You're the right color.
Part. You're not getting it on because you got to pull these out. Grab both of them, pull out on each one.
Here.
Okay. Oh my God, really?
Pull out. Yep. Now it'll fit. It should be snug.
Oh my God, it's so snug.
No, it is going to be tight going on.
Not that tight. Not that tight.
That hurts.
Do they have extra
Try,
large?
try this one up here.
What's that one?
That's a extra large,
That is an extra large.
or that's 2X large.
What's this one? Why my head so big?
Yeah, make sure to pull the straps apart.
Big ass head.
Oh, that's better.
Is it too? Nope, that's about right.
That seems too tight.
No, it's supposed to be.
It's all that hair.
I know.
You know, if you get your hair a little better under control, okay?
Do you want to get? Do you want to get one?
Why is it you got control of my leash? This is new.
Put it in, and then you turn.
$36,000. Wow, 195 horsepower.
Yeah, the turbos are. It's double
The turbo,
what she's running.
yeah.
Double,
The
double.
Maverick X3 for $36,000 gets you 195 horsepower.
Yeah, but look, all 4 seats come with this 4-point harnesses, and you get a lot.
And this is the equivalent in the 2-seater. I'm guessing. Same model, only in a 2-seater.
Yep.
Where's the price on it? Yeah. No.
Look, 172 horse turbo,
Yeah.
a little bit cheaper.
Wow, these things are crazy expensive, huh?
Glass windshield, rack, lights. Looks like stereo. This is like everything.
Alright, both of you are looking at these a little bit too closely.
41.
41,000. What do you think payments on something like this would be?
You're probably looking at like $500 a month, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
In some areas of the country,
See-
you can buy a house for that.
See, those are the questions I shouldn't even be considering, right? Let's see, how much down would be? Let's not even start thinking along them lines.
Wow, these are some serious mud or snow tires.
This is a more narrow model. It's cute, but it's cute. Okay, Ed, what's your?
Oh, those Can-Ams are sweet. They're just super expensive.
Yeah, what was it? 42.
42 for the most decked out turbo model, but it's ready to go. It has every kind of extra you could want, including the unicorn whip.
And most of those Can-Ams were like 20 something, between 20 and 30.
Yeah, it looks like the starter models. Well, they had that one that was ready to go for 16.
Yeah.
You're not leaving there. Yeah, I mean, you're not getting.
Was that a
there for-
2-seater?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It
non-turbo.
would be something like that. I'd consider.
Right.
You know, nice 2-seater. I don't even know what it was.
Was it
If
the
it was
sport model or was it one of the utility models?
No, it was sport.
I saw a utility one in there that you could fit 6 people in, and it had a huge, like, back tray thing.
I think they ranged from
was like
16. Oh, that 16 was out the door price too.
Yeah.
So that's tax title and everything, yeah. But yeah, from 16 to 40. What was that one we looked at? Was 42,000.
Yeah.
Yikes.
42 Gs.
Well, still the MSRP on mine right now is, I think, like what,
Se-
17.99.
Yeah, you got a
Yeah,
good deal.
17,99999. So yeah, you got
a good deal.
You got a really
Because that's
good
what I
deal.
had to pay taxes on.
You know,
Oh no, I didn't have to pay taxes because it was a private sale. Yeah, no
I
taxes.
looked up the average price for used Can-Ams like yours, and they're between 9 and 13,000. So you
Yeah.
got a good deal.
Well, you remember we saw that one exactly like it, but a year older, and it was 11.5.
Yeah. And that guy was asking if, like, I guess what would be called a reasonable price. Thought that guy was not going to wait his turn.
There, 8,995.
There you go.
I just can't believe they make a jet ski now, a 2-person jet ski that's got 300 horsepower. That is absolutely insane.
Is it?
Yeah.
The good news is I got out of there without signing any paperwork.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Now,
That was a challenge.
you got to stay away from stores like this. See this off-road shop?
Yeah, why?
This is a candy store
Yeah.
for buying aftermarket parts for your
See, look at
razor.
all
There you go. They might have.
vehicles parked
I'm
out
gonna go
front.
in there.
Yeah, they might have lips.
It's more like a shop where you go.
Oh,
in
they
and
don't
pay
even
to
have things
done.
on display.
Well, no, they do on this side.
Oh.
Yeah, they might have LED whips in here for a better price.
Cheaper? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. All right.
I guess it's worth looking real quick, huh?
I guess so.
Well, I did it. I got in and out of there without signing any paperwork. Those are some expensive toys. Um, yeah, that's not happening anytime in the near future for me. Um, anyway, that's an idea of what them things go for. Crazy expensive. Expensive toys. Anyway, I thought the subject of the off-road vehicles has been at the forefront lately. They're a lot of fun. We're probably going to move camp and go riding in another area, probably in the next video. Uh, but I'll be a passenger, or I'll drive, but it's not going to be in my vehicle. It won't be in mine. Um, so I think that's it for this video. Just a short window shopping video. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.